All right, don't judge me too hard. This garage is an absolute mess. There's stuff everywhere, bins on the floors, no room to work, and honestly, it's driving me nuts. Before I can get anything done out here, I've got to clean this up, and this is where this new shelf comes in. Hi everyone, it's Ed here from Off the Trails Outdoors. If you're new to this channel, we do a lot of DIY garage projects and real-world reviews. Today, I'm installing and reviewing a FlexiMounts 2-tier over-the-head garage storage rack, and I'll show you if it's worth it. I think a lot of us end up here, don't we? We start stacking stuff on the floor, then more stuff, and then before you know it, the garage is unusable. The biggest mistake is not using the vertical space you already have here. So before I start unboxing my new shelf from FlexiMounts, I gotta get this mess cleaned up. This is the FlexiMounts 4x8 2-tier overhead garage storage rack. The big selling point here is the 2 levels of storage instead of 1, which basically doubles overhead capacity. It's built from heavy-duty steel and rated up to 1,000 pounds total when properly installed. Before I start unboxing the new garage shelf, I had to get the Vevor diesel heater going to get the garage heated up here. Very cool product, heats the garage quickly. If you're interested in purchasing one, check the description below. Okay, these boxes are labeled 1 and 2, so I'm gonna open up the first box right now. Okay. These frame panels are very, very sturdy. The metal grade is actually welded right to the shelf frame. So very nice quality right out of the box. Okay, that's box 1. Let's go to 2. This box is really heavy. There's an installation template made out of cardboard. I'll hold on to that. Manual. Couple more frames here. Okay, I have everything laid out for the FlexiMounts 2-tier garage shelf. So I got my template, my directions, all the brackets, hardware, nuts, bolts, and then my 8 shelves. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting this together, and the hardest part is finding where I need to put it. Okay, the first part in the directions is assembling the vertical posts. I was able to do that. It comes with this tool, Allen wrench, and little wrench, I guess. But I just threw on a 1/2 inch socket on my Milwaukee drill, and that was a lot faster. Okay, getting all the bracket pieces hooked up. So it's kind of boring, so that's why I'm not showing you all this. The directions aren't bad, actually. Pretty easy to put together. It just can be time consuming, that's all. So I'm going to use some longer lags since I'm going up through a 2x4. I'm having some issues because of my corrugated steel roofing, so I'd like to make sure that this really bites in instead of something little like this. So I used 6-inch lag timber screws to get those 2x4s mounted to the wall. Now I'm going to start lagging in my brackets. So I started with my center point first, and then I will move on from there. Okay, so those 3 are up. I need to loosen some of the pieces to make it fit, but my lags into my 2x4s at the top, I did not fully screw those in just in case I need to slide some stuff around. Okay, it's the following day. I had some things to do today, so I'm back at it tonight. I'm finishing my 2nd row of my brackets, and for the last one, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So what I'll do is I'll get up there, I'm going to measure out 36 inches between each bracket. Then I'm going to use this as my template. I'll mark it with my marker, pre-drill, and then send my lags up. Okay, I'm pre-drilling my holes. So all the brackets are up. Now let's start assembling all of our shelves to lay into these mounts. Using a T25 torque bit really helps out, speeds up the process. Repeat, each panel gets one of these brackets, one on each side. Okay, I wanted to throw this up just to see how it looks. Okay, that's one side, other side to go. Okay, bottom shelf is complete. Okay, last section of my top shelf. It's going up right now. Okay. Okay. Okay, the shelf is completed. What I'm going to do now before I load it up tomorrow is I'm going to go through with a level and make sure all my uprights are squared up. So once I do that, I'll be good to go to fill it up. Okay, all completed. So this project was done all by myself. I do recommend having a friend or partner helping you mount the brackets and the shelving units to the ceiling. It sure does help, but I was able to power through and get it done myself. Okay, here's what stands out with this shelf. There's 2 full tiers for storage instead of just 1. The height is adjustable so you can dial it in for your ceiling. Heavy duty steel construction with welded wire shelves. Designed to mount into ceiling joists with solid hardware. This isn't a lightweight shelf, it's built to hold real weight. For me, this shelf was a game changer. It was exactly what I needed to get organized. If your garage looked like mine did at the start of this video, using overhead storage like this is a true game changer. I'll put a link to the FlexiMounts shelf down in the description if you'd like to check it out. If this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe for more real-world projects and drop a comment letting me know how you're going to organize your garage. Thanks for watching Off the Trails Outdoors. Now I can actually work in my garage. Take care, guys. Have a great day.